Welcome to RES Knowledge Center. Today I am going to discuss about important Indian missiles. Indian missile systems are designed into following categories: surface to air missiles, air to air missiles, surface to surface missiles, ballistic missile defense BMD, interceptor missile, cruise missiles, submarine launched ballistic missiles, and anti-tank missile. A surface to air missile SAM, also known as ground to air missile GTAM, or surface to air guided weapon SAGW, is a missile designed to be launched from the ground to destroy aircraft or other missiles. The first serious attempts at SAM development took place during World War II, although no operational systems were introduced. The American Nick Ajax was the first operational guided missile SAM system, and the Soviet Union's S-75 Dvina was the most produced SAM. Some surface-to-air missiles of India are: Akash is a medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile defense system developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and produced by Bharat Dynamics Limited (BDL) for missile systems, Bharat Electronics (BEL), Tata Power Strategic Engineering Division, and Larsen and Toubro for other radars, control centers, launcher system in India. The missile system can target aircraft up to 30 km away at altitudes up to 18,000 meters. Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile QRSAM is a missile developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) in association with Bharat Electronics Limited and Bharat Dynamics Limited for the Indian Army. This missile is an all-weather, all-terrain surface-to-air missile equipped with electronic countermeasures against jamming by aircraft's radars. The missile can be mounted on a truck and is stored in a canister. QRSAM uses solid fuel propellant and has a range of 25 to 30 km. Pradyumna Ballistic Missile Interceptor, Ashwin Ballistic Missile Interceptor, PDV Ballistic Missile Interceptor, PDV Mk2 Anti-Satellite Weapon ATCR surface-to-air missiles of India. Second, an air-to-air missile AAM is a missile fired from an aircraft for the purpose of destroying another aircraft. Some air-to-air missiles of India are: Astra Mk1 is a long-range radar guided. It is the first air-to-air missile developed by India. Astra is designed to be capable for engaging targets at varying range and altitudes, allowing for engagement of both short-range targets at a distance of 10 km and long-range targets up to a distance of 110 km. K-100 missile, inertial navigation and active radar homing. Operational range of this missile is about at least 200 km. A surface-to-surface missile SSM or ground-to-ground missile GGM is a missile designed to be launched from the ground or the sea and strike targets on land or at sea. They may be fired from handheld or vehicles-mounted devices, from fixed installations, or from a ship. Surface-to-surface missiles are of following types: ballistic missiles travel in a high trajectory. Motor burns out partway through flight. Ballistic missiles are of following types: tactical ballistic missile, range about 150 km to 300 km. Battlefield range ballistic missile BRBM, ranges less than 200 km. Theater ballistic missile TBM, range between 300 km and 3500 km. Short range ballistic missile SRBM, range 1000 km or less. Medium range ballistic missile MRBM, range between 1000 km and 3500 km. Intermediate range ballistic missile IRBM, or Long Range Ballistic Missile LRBM, range between 3500 km and 5500 km. Intercontinental Ballistic Missile ICBM, range greater than 5500 km. Submarine Launched Ballistic Missile SLBM, launched from Ballistic Missile Submarines SSBNs. All current designs have intercontinental range. Cruise missiles travel low to the ground, motor burns during entire flight, typical range 25 km or 1500 mi. The Nirbhay is India's first indigenously produced cruise missile. The missile, similar in appearance to the US Tomahawk and the Russian Club SSN-27 with its cylindrical fuselage. Range of this missile is about 800 to 1000 km. The BrahMos PJ-10 is a short-range, ramjet-powered, single-warhead, supersonic anti-ship or land attack cruise missile developed and manufactured by India and Russia. The BrahMos, which derives its name from the Brahmaputra and Moscow rivers in India and Russia. Range of this missile is about 300 to 500 km and 290 km export version. An anti-tank guided missile or anti-armor guided weapon is a guided missile primarily designed to hit and destroy heavily armored military vehicles. Anti-tank guided missile travel low to the ground, may or may not burn motor throughout flight. Typical range 5 km. The Nag missile, also called Prospina for the land attack version, is an Indian third generation all-weather fire and forget lock-on after launch anti-tank guided missile ATGM with an operational range of 500 meter to 20 km. The Amoga-1 is a guided anti-tank missile with a range up to 2.8 km or 1.7 mi. It is under development by Bharat Dynamics at Hyderabad. It is the first missile designed and tested by Bharat Dynamics. It is being built in Israel for the Indian military. Anti-ship missiles travel low over the ground and sea and often pop up or jink before striking the target ship. Typical range 130 km. Some Indian surface-to-surface missiles are Akash, surface-to-air missile; Nag, anti-tank missile; Helena, air-launched anti-tank missile; Sant missile, standoff anti-tank missile; Amogha missile, anti-tank missile; CLGM, cannon-launched anti-tank missile; DRDO, anti-tank missile; MPATGM, man-portable anti-tank guided missile; DRDO SAAW, precision guided anti-airfield bomb. Prithvi missile. Prithvi-1 SS-150, surface-to-surface ballistic missile. Prithvi first class is a single-stage liquid-fueled surface-to-surface ballistic missile having a maximum warhead mounting capability of 1000 kg with a range of 150 km. It has an accuracy of 10 to 50 meter and can be launched from transporter erector launchers. This class of Prithvi missile was inducted into the India Army in 1994. Prithvi 2 SS-250, surface-to-surface ballistic missile. Prithvi 2 class is also a single-stage liquid-fueled missile having a maximum warhead mounting capability of 500 kg, but with an extended range of 250 km. It was developed with the Indian Air Force being the primary user. It was first test fired on 27 January 1996 and the development stages were completed in 2004. Prithvi 3rd SS-350, surface-to-surface ballistic missile. Prithvi 3rd class is a two-stage surface-to-surface missile. The first stage is solid-fueled with a 16 metric ton force, 157 kN thrust motor. The second stage is liquid-fueled. The missile can carry a 1000 kg warhead to a distance of 350 km and a 500 kg warhead to a distance of 600 km and a 250 kg warhead up to a distance of 750 km. Dhanush missile. Ship-launched surface-to-surface ballistic missile. Dhanush is a variant of the surface-to-surface or ship-to-ship Prithvi third missile which has been developed for the Indian Navy. It is capable of carrying both conventional as well as nuclear warheads with payload capacity of 500 kg to 1000 kg and can strike targets in the range of 350 km. Agni missile. Agni 1 MRBM. Surface to surface medium range ballistic missile. Agni 1 is a short range ballistic missile that was developed by DRDO of India in the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. It is a single stage missile that was developed after the Kargil War to fill the gap between the 250 km range of the Prithvi second missile and the 25,000 km range of the Agni 2. It was first launched from a road mobile launcher at Integrated Test Range ITR Wheeler, Iceland on 25th January 2002. Agni 2 MRBM surface to surface medium range ballistic missile. The Agni 2 is a medium range ballistic missile MRBM with two solid fuel stages and a post boost vehicle PBM integrated into the missile's re-entry vehicle RV. Agni 2 has a theoretical ability to hit a target 3000 km away with a 1000 kg overall payload, a 250 kg RV with a 750 kg warhead. Agni 3 IRBM surface to surface intermediate range ballistic missile. The Agni 3 is an Indian intermediate range ballistic missile which is the successor of the Agni 2. It has a range of 3000 to 5000 kilometers. It is a two-stage ballistic missile capable of nuclear weapons delivery. It was designed and developed by a unit of the DRDO formed in September 2001. Agni 4 IRBM surface to surface intermediate range ballistic missile. Agni 4 is the fourth in the Agni series of the missile which was earlier known as Agni 2 Prime. It has been developed by India's DRDO. The missile is lightweight and has two stages of solid propulsions and a payload with re-entry heat shield with 3500 to 4000 km range. Agni 5 ICBM surface to surface intercontinental ballistic missile. Agni 5 is an intercontinental ballistic missile developed by the Defence Research and Development Organisation DRDO of India. The Agni 5 is a three-stage solid-fueled missile with composite motor casing in the second and third stage. The DRDO then Chief V.K. Saraswat described Agni 5 as missile with a range of 5500 to 5800 km. Agni 6 four-stage intercontinental ballistic missile under development. Agni 6 will be a four-stage intercontinental ballistic missile which is in the hardware development phase after its design phase was completed. Agni 6 missile will be sleeker, easily transportable and would be readily deployed. It will have the capability to be launched from submarine and from land-based launchers. Surya intercontinental ballistic missile range 8000 km to 17000 km under development. K missile family. K-15 Sagarika submarine launched ballistic missile. The K-15 is a two-stage submarine launched ballistic missile which uses a gas booster to eject out of its launch platform and rise up to the surface of water. A solid rocket motor is fired after the missile reaches a fixed altitude. The missile has a range of around 750 km or 466 mi and reaches a maximum altitude of 5 km or 3 mi during its flight. K4 submarine launched ballistic missile. K5 SLBM submarine launched ballistic missile under development. K6 submarine launched intercontinental ballistic missile under development. Shaurya missile, surface to surface hypersonic tactical missile. The Shaurya missile is a canister launched hypersonic surface to surface tactical missile developed by the Indian Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO for use by the Indian Armed Forces. It has a range of 700 to 1900 km and is capable of carrying a payload of 200 kg to 1 ton conventional or nuclear warhead. Shaurya can reach a velocity of Mach 7.5 even at low altitude. The Ballistic Missile Defense. The Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program is an initiative to develop and deploy a multi-layered ballistic missile defense system to protect India from ballistic missile attacks. It is a double-tiered system consisting of two land and sea-based interceptor missiles, namely the Prithvi Air Defense (PAD) missile for high-altitude interception and the Advanced Air Defense (AAD) missile for lower-altitude interception. The two-tiered shield should be able to intercept any incoming missile launched from 5,000 km away. The system also includes an overlapping network of early warning and tracking radars as well as command and control posts. The PAD was tested in November 2006, followed by the AAD in December 2007. With the test of the PAD missile, India became the fourth country to have successfully developed an anti-ballistic missile system, after United States, Russia and Israel. The system has undergone several tests, but system is yet to be officially commissioned. Important facts: missile in India. The Integrated Guided Missile Development Program (IGMDP) was launched in 1983. This program was launched with an agenda to develop 5 missile systems in the country: Trishul, Akash, Nag, Prithvi and Agni. Tessie Thomas, who is an Indian scientist and Director General of Aeronautical Systems and the former project director for Agni 4 missile in Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO, is known as the Missile Woman of India. Prithvi was the first Indian single-stage liquid-fueled surface-to-surface missile. Rest in next video. For more and more video and to become a competent aspirant, subscribe, like and share our channel RES Knowledge Center, a hub of knowledge. Thanks to all of you.